Question number 21 on the reading portion of College Board's Test 5. Beecher would most likely have reacted to lines 65 to 68 of passage 2. So Beecher, the first passage, the one who thinks that heaven has appointed to one sex a superior and the other subordinate station, while women hold a subordinate relation in society to the other sex, that person, what would she think about what Grimke says? If rights are founded in the nature of our moral being, then the mere circumstance of sex does not give to man higher rights and responsibilities than to women. It seems like they are fundamentally at odds with one another, because Grimke says sex does not give man higher rights and responsibilities than women. But what does Catherine Beecher literally say? Heaven is appointed to one sex the superior and the other sex the subordinate, while women hold a subordinate relation in society to other sex. So they're opposites. Like, they literally are opposites. Let's take a look at the answer choices. And this is a little bit of mental gymnastics. We have to just always juggle. Who's saying what? What person believes what? In this case, Beecher, the first passage, the one who thinks that women are subordinate to men or lower in station than men, would most likely react to lines 65 to 68. What does Grimke say in those lines? That men are not superior to women. The mere circumstance of sex does not render one sex superior to the other. How would Beecher react? With sympathy, or oh, I understand what you're saying, because she feels that human beings owe each other a debt to work together in the world. What? She's not saying oh, I agree with your position because we need to work together. No, she never says that. What? A debt to work maybe that's what she thinks a woman, another woman, should do. The woman should exert her influence in charity and love and peace. But I don't think we can then say that, oh, so because of that, Beecher is going to act this way. She's in fundamental disagreement with that point. What about B? Agreement. It's not agreement, because she feels like human responsibilities are a natural product of human rights. What? Agreement because she feels like human responsibilities are a natural product of, I don't know what that means. And by I don't know what it means, it's ridiculous. Agreement because she feels that human responsibilities are a natural product of human rights. I don't think Beecher actually believes that. I actually, if we remember, Grimke believes that human responsibilities are a product of human rights. So this is just trying to get you confused as to who said what. What about C? Beecher would most likely have reacted to line 65 to 68 with dismay, because she feels that women actually have a more difficult role to play in society than men do. She never says that men or that women play a more difficult role in society than men do. She never says that. She says that women play a subordinate role. But she never says that women work harder or play a more difficult role. And dismay just means I can't believe you're saying that. Maybe that's true. Maybe she would be dismayed, but not because she feels that women have a more difficult role. That's a little bit misleading. Let's hope it's D. Beecher most likely reacted to line 65 to 68. So Beecher, women are subordinate position, would react to Grimke. Circumstances of sex don't determine your position in society. Men are not superior to women. With disagreement, maybe, because Beecher feels that the nature of men and women are fundamentally different. Yes, that's going to be the answer. Because what does Beecher say about men and women? Men are superior, women are subordinate station, while women hold a subordinate relation in society. That's what she believes. But what does Grimke believe? The mere circumstance of sex does not give to man higher rights and responsibilities. Fundamental disagreement. So there's going to be a disagreement because the nature of men and women are fundamentally different between the two. The answer to 21 is going to be D.